Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Fortnite Matchmaking Error 1. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing what you need to do here, you need to scroll down until you see, if you scroll down a bit, you should see a custom key. So what you need to do here, press on the custom key and delete everything from it. Sometimes this thing is will get you this error. So delete everything, leave it blank, accept, and then look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then press on your profile icon here, then press on the settings, then press on video, not on video, on the gear icon that says game, and then look for matchmaking region. So if your matchmaking region is on auto, select the one with the lowest ping. So for me, it should be a Europe, right? So I just need to select Europe and then look if the problem persists for me or not. And if for you some particular region with the high pings, then select auto or with the lowest one, right? And then look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then what I like to suggest you to do here is to restart your router and look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, I will show you a few different options if you're on PC. But if you're using a console, I believe you can do this as well. So what you can do here is, if you're on PC, you just need to go to settings, and then you need to go to network and internet, and then advanced network settings, and reset your network. Here, if you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again, but if you're using Ethernet cable, you're good to go. And then what you need to do here next, go to network and internet, advanced network settings, then you need to go to advanced sharing, no, not here. You need to go to your connection, and then more adapter options. On this window, you need to go to Internet Protocol version 4. Select use the DNS following server addresses, and on preferred DNS server write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed. And if you're using PS4 or PS5 also or Xbox, you can easily change your DNS settings, I think, as well. Right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.